I'm Sheree Stuart. I'm principal at Sheree Stuart Design. We're a boutique interior design firm located in Toronto. I'm sitting here today in my client's Kingsway kitchen, which was renovated about a year and a half ago. I come from a financial background, and prior to studying and working in interior design for the past 10 years, I did business strategy and finance. And I find that really helps me with my job. Interior design is not just about making spaces pretty, it's really about meeting our clients' needs, delivering a project on time, within the project constraints, and on budget. Before we did this renovation, the space was about 7 feet shorter, so we added 7 feet, and we did that to basically give the client a separate space for her wet bar and her china collection, but also we wanted to open up the space to the backyard. She wanted to see her kids and be able to walk out there, and previously there was no access. The majority of the budget, and I find this to be the case with most of my clients, is spent on the things that need to last the longest. So we chose to spend the money on the millwork and the countertops. The biggest thing I think I can say for saving is we actually salvaged the entire old kitchen, including countertops and appliances, and we sent it to Habitat for Humanity. We really tried to keep it classic and timeless. We went with wood cabinets in a traditional door style. We chose Benjamin Moore Classic Gray. It's easy on the eyes, it's calming, it felt nice. And we chose lighting that was timeless and just had general appeal that you could live with for a while giving you great light. To be honest, the kitchen is expensive. So it's like the whole thing was a splurge. I joked with her, I said, where do we save? Well, we repurposed the client's fixtures from the previous kitchen. I find these days the splurges and luxuries tend to vary by client. And in this case, it was a couple things. It was the Wolf steam oven, and she wanted to have a kitchen with separate zones. So a little desk area that was off to one side, a wet bar and a china area that were enclosed. Our client was really specific about what she wanted in her kitchen and where she wanted it, right down to what was going to go inside each cabinet and how she wanted to use it. And she has a lot of cooking needs. So we created clever little storage nooks like drawer kicks, and also an enclosed pantry that goes floor to ceiling that can house all of her snacks and stuff for the kids. And we also incorporated a fridge drawer and freezer in the wet bar. I find these days kitchen renovations are a worthwhile investment. One, because the clients get to customize the kitchen to their needs, and also because it seems to be paying off in terms of your return on investment. Similar to bathrooms, investing in a kitchen really does appeal to new homeowners. So it's not only about meeting the client's needs and building their dream kitchen, but it generally pays off in the long run.